Greetings, dear ones. We are standing on the threshold of a cosmic event capable of rewriting destinies. The gates are opening. The question is, are you ready for what they will bring? We are entering a very special time, a period where the very fabric of reality becomes thin. This is not merely an astronomical phenomenon, it is a return. It is a cycle that, historically, has brought the world revolutions, the collapse of empires, and global catastrophes. A powerful solar eclipse arrives on February 17th. What makes this unique is its position, the 29th critical degree of Aquarius. In esoteric tradition, this is the degree of completion and transition, the final chord before a leap into the absolute unknown. This eclipse is a fateful crossroads. The energy of Aquarius demands novelty, creativity, and freedom. But the main player here is Uranus, the planet of chaos and revolution. This means changes may be sudden, shocking, and absolutely unpredictable. Old structures are crumbling to free up space for the future. In the coming days, it may seem as if the world has gone mad. You might feel an overwhelming urge to drop everything, to sever relationships, to quit your job, to slam the door shut. The nervous tension is off the charts. Hear this warning closely. During this eclipse corridor, you must not make fateful decisions. Everything destroyed now cannot be restored, ever. Put aside your ambitions, simply observe. Given the explosive nature of this eclipse, the stars strongly recommend reducing external activity to a minimum. This is not a time for initiatives, but for internal silence. Any external affairs during this period are practically uncontrollable. The Uranian energy of the eclipse can turn your plans inside out, transforming them into something completely unexpected. Now is the best time for self-analysis, reflection, and playing the role of an outside observer. Do not try to manage the chaos, let it pass through you. Right now, we are guided not by logic, but by desires and internal impulses. In periods like this, building analytical schemes is useless. The only correct strategy is to trust your intuition. It will give you answers before you formulate the question. Pay special attention to your dreams. This week, they become prophetic. Dreaming right now is a direct channel of communication with the information field of the future. As you fall asleep, give yourself a command to receive an answer to an important question. This week is difficult, yes, but it unlocks doors that have been bolted shut for years. Trust the flow and listen to your heart. The energies of the eclipse are already being felt in the air. Write in the comments, do you feel the approach of these changes? How is your intuition speaking to you? I thank you all.